Hello and welcome to Life with Tontemon. Life seems boring during these days, isn't it? So I have come up with a new and first DIY video of our channel.
Piece of cardboard which we generally throw away. I will create a Scandinavian pattern with subtle colors on it. Scandinavian design is marked by a focus on clean, simple lines, minimalism, and different types of textures without sacrificing beauty.
So let's begin.
To make this decor piece, initially we need a piece of cardboard, glue, brush, a bowl, and few tissue papers which we will tear into small pieces. I have already cut the cardboard piece in rectangular shape. Its measurement is 12 inches by 10 inches. Then we will pour one part of glue in the bowl and mix it with 2 parts of water. Mix them thoroughly. Mix, mix and mix. Now we will apply the mixture of the glue on the cardboard and paste the pieces of tissue paper on it. We will work on small areas at a time. Do not apply glue all over the cardboard at once, or else it will dry up soon. After finishing the first area, move on to the other. You don't have to be perfect in it. Apply at least 2 to 3 coats of tissue paper all over the cardboard. Don't forget to cover up the edges with tissue paper. If they are left, then it will not look good. Applying small pieces of tissue paper gives an uneven texture to the base of the cardboard, which is one of the basic features of Scandinavian designs. Instead of pasting small pieces of tissue paper, you can even paste the entire tissue paper as a whole on the cardboard. This is another technique of applying the paper. As you can see, I have pasted the entire tissue paper as a whole to explain. It gives a clean look though. You can choose any method of your choice. In both the cases, you will get the texture out of the tissue paper. Then keep it aside at least for 6 hours to dry. After drying up, it will look something like this. It has become quite hard and sturdy. See, the edges are clean because I have applied the entire tissue paper as a whole. For making the pattern, we will mark by 1 inches on all the sides of the cardboard. And join them by drawing straight lines with the help of a ruler. As a result, you will get boxes of 1 inch by 1 inch. Then draw a diagonal line in first box from left bottom corner to right upper corner. Then repeat this in alternate boxes. Then draw another diagonal line in second box from left upper corner to right bottom corner. Then repeat this in alternate boxes. Continue repeating these steps all over the cardboard to get the Scandinavian pattern. Then it will look something like this. To color the pattern, I have chose grey green, pink and dark grey of camel pastel colors. You can choose your favorite colors to complete the design. On the first line of the pattern, I have colored it with grey green. Then I have used dark grey to complete the second line. Finally, I completed the third line with pink. Repeat this step on the entire pattern. After completing, it will look something like this. To give it a prominent and clean look, I will draw the borders of the pattern with olive green and rose pink. For making the borders, I have used only two colors. In this manner, I will complete the borders. Finally, I complete the decor piece by drawing borders on the cardboard in black, which apparently gives the look of a photo frame. The see-through effect of the black border has enhanced the beauty of this Scandinavian pattern.
If you liked our video, then do like and share it with others, and consider subscribing to our channel for more videos. Till then, cheerio.